Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great and I hope you enjoyed today's volatility, right? Markets were super volatile today. Both all three indices, Nifty, Banknifty and Nifty were super volatile. Whether you are an option beginner trader, an option beginner or an expert option seller or a skilled person, today you would have struggled or you would have found it very hard to trade in this market. So we'll see what is going to be the Nifty prediction tomorrow, Bank Nifty prediction tomorrow, or Fin Nifty prediction tomorrow. What is going to happen tomorrow? If you had seen today morning video, I told clearly that 18,500 is going to be a very strong support in Nifty. Is going to be very super strong support in Fin Nifty, and Bank Nifty 44,300, 43,500 is going to be a very super strong support in Bank Nifty. And in fact, if you see last 2 or 3 videos, I told whatsoever Bank Nifty, Nifty or Fin Nifty is not going to come on the downside. Even if it is coming down, it is not going to go down, or it is not going to sustain the bearishness. It will move on the upside, and that is what we are seeing. Last 3 days, we are seeing two-way, three-way move. If you see the chart, it is clearly evident that Nifty, Bank Nifty, and see this one. This is Nifty chart. On 15th of June, market was coming down. It was down by 67, and next day it was actually it was going up. The next day it gap up, it came down. Then again today it opened flat and came down, and all the way went to around low today. Look at Nifty low today. How they are putting you into trouble. Low was around 18,600. From there, they are taking it to 18,816, almost lifetime high, right? So this is how they trap you, right? This is how they trap you. If you see, in spite of all this movement, India VIX was down by almost 1%, and all the sectors, if you see all the sectors, Nifty, IT, Nifty, Auto, Nifty, Metal, Nifty, Financial, which is Fin Nifty, Nifty 50, Nifty Bank, Nifty FMCG, apart from Nifty Pharma, all the sectoral sectors were in profit. Anyway, there is nothing we can do. We'll have to live with it. And let me tell you, I'm not talking negative. Apart from Fin Nifty, we had a Fin Nifty trade which was in trouble. Apart from that, if you see all our trades, whether it is Bank Nifty or Nifty, trades are in profit only, manageable. It is in profit only. In spite of moving so much, it is in profit only, and it is manageable only. Nothing to worry about. Now, what is going to happen? What might be the Nifty prediction for tomorrow, or what is going to be the Bank Nifty prediction for tomorrow is what we are going to see in this video. So make sure you stream this video fully and you see, and we'll see how things are going to span out, right? Now, in terms of Nifty, if you see, this is the Nifty chart, and you will be surprised what FIAs and DIAs have done today. I'll talk about that later. Now, 3 days of price action, if you see, it is moving upward, downward, upward, moving up, coming down, moving up, coming down. Now, what I think, it is not going to come down anywhere soon. FIAs and DIAs are fighting with each other, and we retailers are the guys who are getting hit on the all side. When it comes to, if you see the open interest, this is funny thing. The funny part is, yesterday we had huge number of call options returned today. I'll tell from the first day. That is 15th, we were seeing huge number of calls return. Then we saw huge number of puts being returned. Then we saw again huge number of calls return. Then again huge number of puts are being returned, and that is evident in the open interest. Now see these people, 18,800 people had to run for cover. 18,000 people had to run for cover. 18,700. Today morning video also we showed 18,700, and I told this on today's morning video that this 18,700 people will run for cover, and if they run for cover, the market will trigger and it will go on the higher side. And in fact, 18,700 put option is having the highest number of puts being returned. Apart from that, 18,800. Now we really don't know whether this 18,800, 18,070, 18,700, 18,600, what is going to happen, we really don't know. Now US futures are all in the red, right? As I talk to you, US futures are all in the red. Let me take you to US futures. US futures are all in the red, and if we gap down, we are not going to gap down. That is what I told today morning also. Even if the market gaps down, we are not going to sustain the gap down. But how they trapped you is, They brought everything, Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, they brought it. In fact, Bank Nifty was almost hitting 43,500. I was thinking, okay, this, sorry, yeah, 40, let me, sorry, so much of things is running in my mind. If you see this 5 minutes chart, you can understand that today's low was how much? Almost, yeah, 43,300, right? It in fact went below 43,500, right? Then they took it all the way to around 43,700. Now, when I thought 43,500 was taken, so I thought, okay, this 43,500 might act as a resistance now. Since this 43,500 support was taken, I thought I was thinking it might be acting as a support, a resistance. And at the time when I saw open interest, huge number of calls were being written at 43,500. This was a perfect trap by DAIs. Actually, DAIs. FIAs were net sellers today. DAIs were the people who took the market so much. So there might be some news coming up. We really don't know. We'll see, wait and see what is the news. And they have trapped us all in terms of Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. They have trapped us. And see this 18,000, I thought 18,600, 18,700 was a very, very strong, very strong support. That's why we were seeing just now, we were seeing huge number of puts being written at 18,700. Yeah. And this 18,700, calls being written at 18,700. And in fact, they took it till 18,664. Then took it almost to 18,800 or 18,900 levels. This was a perfect trap. And you will not believe, in terms of FIA data, FIAs are net sellers today. They have sold huge amount, 1,942 crores, and DAs have bought 1,972 crores. In between, you and me are fool peoples. In between, we are got caught, and we are the ones who is suffering, right? So anyway, markets are market. We cannot say anything about the market. Markets will move, and we will have to, one way or another way, you will have to know how to manage this market. That is what I can say. Now let me show you the this one, futures. Dow futures, Dow Jones futures, S&P 500 futures, Nasdaq futures, all down. And even Europe is also down. Europe FTSE is almost flat. France is down. German is down. And tomorrow we don't know how US futures are going to close. US markets are going to close. And I will tell you one thing, even if US markets are closing in the red, we are not going to gap up, gap down. Even if SGX Nifty is showing gap down of 40 or 50 or 100 points, we are not going to gap down. We will open flat, and we may go on the higher side, or we may come on the downside, is what is my expectation. So we are saying kind of loss of momentum. Even though market is going on the higher side, it is so much of struggling. It is so much of, there is no momentum on the higher side. So they are just pumping and pushing it on the higher side. Now you imagine if either FIAs or DIAs are not actively participating in this one. Let us assume if DIAs have not bought for 1,972 crores or 76 crores, what would have happened? We would have gone below. Maybe Bank Nifty would have touched the 43,000. Nifty would have touched, maybe gone below 18,500, and Fin Nifty would have gone to 19,000 levels, right? So we'll see how things pan out. This is what I predict in terms of Nifty prediction, Bank Nifty prediction, or Fin Nifty prediction. We are going to be volatile. There is not going to be any gap down in spite of US market showing US futures trading in the red. We'll have to wait till Dow Jones close, and we will see how things pan out on 21st of June, which is tomorrow, right? So I'll see you in tomorrow morning video. Till then, take care. Bye.